You all done too much. Your matter don't tire me for bye-bye.
I say na the same price with the one why I fell by that day.
The same price of that day?
Yeah, nah.
I'll put that my if they're the same price.
Ah, na the same price.
Say this one off for you drop her with style. You say I know Sian.
No, na everything together.
Open this one first. Every time you have new things for this house. So receipt you follow this one come abi.
You know they follow.
Well, when they buy something when you receipt, no they follow and they
cheap
come.
things like this, don't they put receipt? It be like form of free. Sian na so cheap machine.
Bring her back to you know you the guilty conscience won't bring you down already.
No be.
It's fine animal skin oh.
And so they call her nursery baby girl.
Nursery baby girl. And this one.
Now this one they
where am I see?
They say na 1 pound something. Chana.
This one fine.
No say be like baby girl shebe.
And why you can't just buy designers like musicians?
No, na normal thing.
How much? How much?
I say na 1 pound something.
1 pound. 1 pound is no. It's a very good deal.
I'm gonna try the second one. See the shout.
Leather day inside 1 pound.
Leather day inside, but I know they put price tag.
Wow.
See this one.
This one will be expensive.
No, not they expensive. Not they expensive. See.
Sure.
If it shock you back.
See the mixed design. How much you buy this one?
No, 2 pounds.
Where am first? 2 pounds. I'll buy for all my sisters.
They don't get my.
No, for my sisters. You call the person say they pay for all my sisters.
No, the last one you forget. Now the last one.
Every last time when you buy last one, now last one
again. When you don't remember the last one, they don't still buy them again.
Since you come abroad, now lie you can't just lie. You go and never follow you up.
You don't trust me again. See Anna.
Oh, this one fine. 2 pounds.
Very fine. When they don't say it remains small like this, they don't see you buy.
But you tell me it's not Africa. This one
no, you get away with it. No,
Africa.
Now they just put tag. They just put tag. Make it for fine for face. Where this small one so? Okay. Now you feel this one that perfume I tell you about it that they say.
Even perfume.
50 penny.
50 penny. We'll buy many for Christmas. Now
the last one. Now the last one. See. Now rub your perfume.
See you see perfume. Wait, am I read them now? I'll bubble them now.
Don't worry, see.
Come on, what you
get name? No, they put name. You know, say not get name.
But name they see the name now.
No, name not there. Man go just argue anyhow.
This woman, since you come travel, enter Oyibo land.
You not gonna trust me again.
If your way for get a bill, you're not gonna go straight again.
This one, you know, it even make me take her. As they say, no, I don't want, because in Nigeria.
Huh? That your bank card, you give me, man, check your account, how you do the spend. No, man, just
I remember the last time I even use the cash, and now that time I go buy food stuff. See, concern bank card. Now cash, now.
Let me pay for food stuff. I'll just check your bank. This one, how much?
This one, now they tell you, say, wait to make me take her.
Never like California.
Wait to make me take her now jumpsuit. Wait to make me take her. You say you won't give me for free.
Wow.
That's yeah.
California.
You wear big trousers when they high waist.
See, let's buy plenty. So we'll feed the sell.
Not there, now the last one.
Why you always get that last things now?
Let make her cheap.
I not trust you. My mind they tell me some different thing.
Let make her cheap.
You buy this one. Still at 2 pounds for this kind of clothes.
No.
You buy this one when you get hair. Still at 1 pound. You buy this one, still at how much? 2 pounds for this one too.
I'll try this one last.
Where you call the buyer to say where other people don't know now?
They don't feel no because those people.
Okay, this one get this thing for the neck. It will be very expensive.
This one, so now this one I get that.
Wow.
This
for
one,
this one.
No, this one I get that.
It's for this one. Why this one will be very expensive?
No, there's.
I see the tag.
No, not the tag.
Now waiting.
That design.
You say the way you gonna do now? I don't know.
That design.
You know the life of Nigeria.
See, I get this thing inside. They come
you see? They do very expensive.
No, not this one. Now this one make it cheap, sir.
Now make it cheap. They put something. They'll go make it cheap. Okay, let's buy this one. This one will still get stuff. We'll buy more.
I said now the last one. This one made the year word. Now the last one. See?
This one is fine.
Anna.
They play the show.
They get cap. They say
It's very beautiful.
Not the lock hand. You can't drag this rope like this.
This one tell one black tie.
Black tie. You can't wear
black
boots.
and black.
Boots when we share.
Black tie, black top.
I'll go better boots now. Ladder one.
Wow, it's luxury.
Listen, you can't get
how much again?
This one are £3 because of the cap.
You asked you now. You first said £2.
No, now this one I said. Now this one.
I said, I asked you again to test your brain on your line. You can't say £3.
Now this one I be £3. See, this one like this. This is in a winter with day. Person very soon now the winter go come the excuse person hand.
I see name for inside.
This one are brand now.
Why see the name now? Why you buy it £2 for UK? You buy this rent £2?
This one, that decision I just label.
This marriage, you come up for express road.
See this one, I'll try this one for you. This one, may God, everything when God say you buy car for this house.
I'll buy car, no, insult me for motor now.
Yo, I can't use enter motor.
So once you know the real wife, they don't get motor.
No, your man stay for this bus when go, person go enter everywhere go tight.
That's why I say all this stuff when they buy go investigate them.
No. It's very beautiful. See, it's very beautiful.
The barrister, now you go represent
don't they wear anything inside this one, no. Don't they wear anything. You all wear shorts, bunch short when you go just reflect inside. Can't wear boots when reach your hip here. Then come button this one small.
Expensive. It means this shirt will be very expensive.
It's expensive. Then your chest will leave.
How much? How much?
You leave your chest.
How much you buy them?
This one are free. There is one to Jara. Not finished.
Who the dash person something now?
Not free.
Okay, the perfume, how much you buy them again?
Oh, this perfume, not
okay, how much you buy them? I want to know how much you buy them. Tell me.
Say not getting
how much you buy them? Because you don't tell me price. If I want to know if you lie now.
I didn't say that.
How much you buy them?
Say the sentence.
They said, but how much you buy them? I love her. How much?
This baby, don't go. Hey, baby, come on.
This woman.